atmospheric conditions of a region over a long period of time. Climate changes, but it can take hundreds or even thousands of years, or at least 30 years. Let's see the reasons for different climate in the world. Latitude. Earth is divided into many imaginary lines, and equator is at the center of these lines. Latitude is the distance of a place north or south of the equator. Earth tilts on its axis. The Earth is spherical, means Earth is like a ball. So, the sun rays enter the Earth at different angles. As a result, different parts of the Earth receive different amount of sun rays. Those regions which are closest to equator receive the hot climate because sun's rays strike almost directly. So the temperature is warm throughout the year. Regions lie further away from equator are moderate conditions, means not too hot or not too cold. Polar zones experience extremely cold climate because the sun's rays strike at a very low angle. Number 2 reason for different climate is height above the sea level. The higher a place is situated above sea level, the cooler it is because an average temperature drops down about 1 degree Celsius for every 200 meters of altitude. Altitude is the height above sea level. Another reason is distance from the sea. In the summer, the sun heats the land quickly, but it takes longer to heat up the sea, which is large and deep. Therefore, areas of land close to the sea are cool in the summer. However, the water stores heat for longer, and so in winter, the temperature of the sea is warmer. Therefore, areas close to the sea enjoy mild winters. General types of climate. There are 3 types of climate: tropical zone or torrid zone, temperate zone, polar zone. The climate zones of Earth are based on latitudes. Latitudes are horizontal lines that run across the Earth's surface. The most important latitudes are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle, and the Antarctic Circle. The region between 2 tropics, that is, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, is the tropical zone or torrid zone. This is the hottest part of the Earth. The sun's heat falls directly on this zone. Next is temperate zone. Temperate zone falls between the 2 tropics, the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. This is the perfect zone as it usually has mild temperature and enjoys all the 4 seasons yearly: summer, spring, autumn, and winter, because the sun is never directly overhead. So, the last is polar zone. The polar zone is the coldest part of the planet. These zones lie beyond the Arctic and Antarctic Circle. So they are freezing. The day and night cycle are super weird. Sometimes the day is 1 year longer with 6 months of daylight and 6 months of night. Climatic regions of the world. Polar regions. They are coldest parts of the world. Equatorial regions. The temperature stays hot throughout the year. Temperate regions have moderate temperature and climate. Tropical regions. Climate is hot and humid with high precipitation. Desert regions. Very high in the day to freezing at night. Mountain regions have a cold climate.